challenge. So this is my sister, Savannah. So she's gonna do it with me. And yeah. Let's do this. Here. We have some water. So we're gonna do this much pepper.
I have more.
Oh, no, mine's leveled down.
Okay.
Go! You said it wasn't that bad!
I lied!
Don't do this.